pour that in.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Mix.
Not quite yet. We're going to add egg
Eggy.
and milk.
Eggy.
Yep.
Eggy.
What are you making?
Blueberry muffins.
That sounds delicious.
1 egg.
2 eggs.
No, just 1. And some milk. 1/3 cup to 1/2 cup. Well, let's start with 1/3.
Come on up.
Carefully pour that in. The vanilla, we need 1.5 teaspoons.
Wait a minute, that's what Ina put in her
Her
peach.
peach cake, she put vanilla.
Yeah.
Okay, here, hold the spoon. We want 1,
That vanilla smells good.
doesn't it? Hold it over the bowl like this.
Okay.
Get steady over the bowl.
This is
Okay,
fun.
dump. A little more. Okay.
Yes. Now what?
Carefully whisk.
Put it down, put it. Okay, Mama, but do we actually have to whisk all of it?
Oh, with a...
Hey, I'm whisking. This is funny.
Look here.
Get that yolk.
Can't get that yolk. I'll just